coming out, he's 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 coming out. It's there.
I killed them. It won't go here. I have to only kill those. Oh, okay. Give me your best shot. Oh. Oh! Oh no. We're dead. Yeah, so right. I mean, Ratchet is dead.
Just in time. We must defend the presidential palace.
Your submachine gun will upgrade soon. There's enough. Oh, now I upgraded it. Yeah. Now it is more powerful and it has more ammo, and that's a good thing because usually you run out of ammo. Now there comes the bastards. He's a team killer. He killed his own team member. Yeah. Come on. Nano. Oh, your nanotech level is just increased. And that means that you have more health than before. I have to do this also. Yeah. You'll have to do all 5 or 6 missions. And then you have to do another mission that I have to find that video game in this level. Yeah. Me either. No. Don't be a loser. This mission will soon be over.
Yes. Finally.
They're right on top of us.
Don't fucking kill me. Don't kill me, mate.
Thanks, Sarge. You saved our cans.
Can I buy more ammo? Yes. I
No.
can.
You don't have to buy it because you will get it free when
Yes,
you
but
start the new
maybe not
mission.
enough.
We need to take out those enemy dropships. The sauces are just icing on the cake. Fire real.
You have to shoot the big ships. Those.
It won't be a problem.
Let him have it, Sarge. Covering fire.
There is two fight missions left. And then there is one mission
Last wave, Sarge.
where you have to find that video game.
Is this the last wave? This is so easy.
Complete 3 missions in this level. Then you have done this level and this is
There is
over.
still enemies, but I accomplished it. No, I don't need ammo. Under the gun.
Now you
Now
have
I-
to defend that gun.
Get Sarge back online.
It won't be a problem, I think. No, don't go here. You are not welcome. Two minutes. Not very long.
Keep them off our backs. We'll have this baby back up in no time.
They blow up together.
Yes.
And soon enough your submachine gun will break again.
That's nice to hear.
And then you it becomes two-handed weapon. You have to carry with two hands.
Now it's carrying with one. Looks pretty funny.
Hey.
Whoa!
Oh, not yet.
This weapon upgrade
it is-
features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
What?
Keep it up. Repairs are almost finished.
L2 and R2 can happen something.
Now they are jumping. Those enemies.
Three, two, 1, 0. Now it's fixed.
Repairs are finished. Now we'll give those noids a taste of their own medicine.